Fix in 5. Let's decode P0445. EVAP purge control valve circuit shorted or open, ECM detects abnormal. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Not urgent today, but it won't fix itself either. First, the symptoms. Check engine light illuminated on dashboard, hard starting or rough idle, fuel odor near fuel tank or under vehicle, reduced EVAP system negative pressure, failed fuel tank leak test. Now the most likely causes. EVAP purge solenoid valve malfunctioning or electrically defective. Disconnected or corroded solenoid circuit connector. Or broken wire insulation in control circuit. Saturated charcoal canister or purge line clogged with deposits. EVAP control relay failure or power circuit short. One mistake to avoid. With a P0445 code for short distances, as this fault does not create an immediate drivability or safety hazard. However, your vehicle is. How to fix it? Replace EVAP purge solenoid valve with OEM certified component. Clean or replace damaged connector and resolder joints. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120 doing it yourself, or €125, €200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 492 models. People also ask. Is it safe to drive with P0445? Short trips may be possible with P0445 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium-severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0445. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.